Welcome to the Factory Help Channel. Pilot Operated Relief Valve. Operated relief valves modulating action. Pilot achieves full lift by 8% over pressure. High gain option available. Full lift by 5% over pressure. Minimal blowdown. 0 to 4%. Non-flowing pilot. Set pressures from 15 to 1480 psig, 1.03 to 102 bar G. Temperatures from -65 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, -53.9 to 316 degrees Celsius. 1 to 10-inch inlet sizes. API 526 direct spring center-to-face dimensions available. ASME code case 2787. Fugitive emissions compliant. Service media air, gas liquid multi-phase. Certifications ASME. Section 8. Gas, steam, liquid. Code case 2787. API 526/527. PED 2014/68 EU. CRN, TS, DOT, CSA, and more. Industries served refining. Chemical, petrochemical, oil and gas metals, and mining. Food and beverage, pulp and paper. Power renewables. Features: true modulating action, non-flowing pilot balance design. Soft seats API. 526 direct spring center-to-face dimensions available. Optional accessories: field test connection, backflow preventer, pilot supply, filter pressure, spike, snubber emote pressure, sense PRV, monitoring to detect leakage, relief events, and flow manual, remote unloader pilot lift lever high gain pilot, full lift by 5% over pressure, ISO dome dirty service, inlet percent of set pressure. Lift versus overpressure. Percent of full lift. Overpressure. Cap, dome, lift adjustment bolt, liner, piston assembly, main valve body, seat, nozzle retainer, nozzle, from pilot to pilot, dome, percent of set pressure, inlet percent of set pressure, start of main valve dome pressure reduction, main valve dome pressure venting, start of relief, modulating action. The main valve lifts only as much as needed to relieve the overpressure event. Reduced product loss. Reduced noise and reaction forces during relief. Full lift achieved before 10% over pressure. Main valve reseat near set pressure with minimal blowdown. Cap, armed adjustment screw, bonnet, spring, piston plate, pilot body, bonnet vent, sense seal, feedback piston, inlet seat, spool, outlet seat, spool seal, body plug. To main valve dome, exhaust to main valve outlet, inlet pressure, to main valve dome, inlet pressure, inlet seat, feedback piston moves upward to close inlet seat. Inlet seat closed, outlet seat closed. Null position, main valve dome pressure sealed. Outlet seat, inlet seat closed, outlet seat open. Main valve dome pressure venting. Pilot exhausts to main valve outlet. Main valve opening. Further venting of main valve dome pressure results in lifting of the main valve piston. Modulating action of main valve piston proportional to overpressure. Outlet seat. Pilot responds to stable system pressure by moving feedback piston and spool down to close outlet seat. The main valve piston remains at the exact lift to only relieve the required overpressure. Advantage: reduced emissions and product loss. Further venting of the main valve dome pressure results in the main valve achieving full lift. Outlet seat closed, inlet seat open. Increasing pressure in main valve dome. Back pressure from main valve outlet. Outlet seat, spool seal, balanced design. The outlet seat and spool seal areas are the same, so lift is unaffected by back pressure. Advantage: pilot exhaust can be piped safely to the main valve outlet, even in case of high back pressure, no release to atmosphere, without the need for metal bellows. Confidence comes from knowledge. Learn with us, become an expert in industrial solutions.